Hello everyone. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. For those that don't know me or that are new to my channel, my name is Charlene from stampwithchar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. Today is Friday, which means I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you. However, the days have just flown by and I totally spaced out like the days, so I actually didn't plan anything. Yesterday I found out that today is the last day for my kids' school and I didn't make any teachers' gifts. So yesterday I was super stressed out trying to make teachers' gifts, and so I didn't plan anything for today, but I did want to come on here and just wish everybody a wonderful holiday season and a great new year. And I hope you all have a wonderful year ahead. Be safe around this holiday time. I am going to be taking a little blogging break and I will be back here in the new year. So I hope you'll come back and join me in the new year. I am going to have some amazing projects with some of the new products. So yeah, I hope you will join me in the new year. And again, I hope everybody just stays safe and has a wonderful holiday season. Thank you so much, you guys. I'm going shopping on Saturday for Christmas gifts. I am really pushing it and like stressing myself out. I don't know why I do this every year. I wait till the last minute and then but yeah, everybody, I wish you a wonderful holiday season. Thank you so much for all your love and support. It means so much to me. And again, I hope you'll join me back here in the new year. Stay safe and take care.